Welcome everybody, how are you? In this video we will find the critical numbers of function. What about f of x equal 1 over x power 2 plus x subtract by 2, and we want to find derivative of the function. And if you want to find derivative of the function, we must convert about fraction to exponent here, x power 2 plus x subtract 2 power negative 1. And we can find derivative of the function dash of x. We can drop this power outside here and subtract 1 from negative 1. So we can write x power 2 plus x subtract 2 because we subtract 1 from negative 1 equal negative 2. And we can multiply by derivative about this function will be 2x plus 1. Okay, so this result about f dash. Set f dash of x equals 0. Find x. Okay, first we have negative x power 2 plus x subtract 2 power negative 2 multiplied by 2x plus 1 equal 0. Okay, then it's meaning first equals 0 or second equals 0. We have this expression power negative 2, we can write it here in denominator, and this expression by numerator equals 0. We can find the result by multiplication. This expression in denominator by 0 equals 0. So the result will be 2x plus 1 equals 0. We can divide it by negative 1. Then x will be negative 1 over 2. We can move 1 from left hand side to right hand side and divide it by coefficient about x. So the result will be negative half. Look at another example. F of x equal cube root of x bar 2 plus x subtract by 2. We can find the derivative of the function by write this expression x power 2 plus x subtract 2 power third, and we can then find f dash of this expression. We can drop this power outside here, x power 2 plus x subtract by 2, and we can subtract 1 from third. We can write third subtract by 1. We know third subtract 1 equal negative 2 over 3. Then f dash of x equal 1 over 3 multiplied by x power 2 plus x subtract 2 power negative 2 over 3. Okay, and we can find multiplication derivative about the function. The result will be 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 here. This expression must be equal 0. Set this function equal 0. Okay, and then you can find the result by write it here. You can write 3 multiply x power 2 plus x subtract 2 power 2 over 3, and this expression here. And we can find the result cross about this denominator, then 2x plus 1 equal 0, and then 2x will be 1, then x will be negative 1 over 2. This is the result about this function. Look at another example. We want to find critical number about f of x equal 4 plus third x plus negative half x power 2. We must find f dash of x, and then put this f dash equal 0. We know the f dash derivative of the function will be third subtract. We can drop 2 here and subtract 1 from it. To the result will be x. And then let f of dash of x equal 0. Then third subtract x equal 0. And then x will equal third. It's critical number. Look at another example. G of t, well, t power 4 plus t power 3 plus t power 2 plus 1. This example, we want to find g dash of t equal 4t power 3 plus 3t power 2 plus 2t. Set this equation equal 0. And then we can find the result. About this example, we can write t outside here. The result will be 4t power 2 plus 3t plus 2 all equal 0. We have such that t equals 0 or 4t power 2 plus 3t plus 2 equals 0. We can find the result of t here. We know t equal negative b, positive or negative, square root of b power 2 subtract 4ac over 2a. Then t equal, we know b equal 3, so the result will be negative 3 positive or negative, square root of b power 2, 3 power 2 equal 9, subtract 4 multiplied by a was 4, multiplied by c multiplied by 2. Over 2 multiplied by a was 4, 2 times 4 equal 8. So t equal negative 3 positive or negative, square root of 9 subtract this number. We know 4 times 4, 16 times 2, 32. 9 minus 32 over 8, we can find the result here. The result here will be negative. We haven't a number here. So this will be 5. We haven't a number here. So it's impossible to find any result about t here. Then the critical number will be t equals 0. It's critical number, okay? Another example, we want to find critical number about this function. First, you must find y dash about this function. G dash of y, well, we can write this denominator power 2, y power 2 subtract y plus 1 over power 2, and then write this denominator here, y power 2 subtract y plus 1, multiply by derivative about numerator will be 1, subtract, we can write what? We can write numerator here, multiply derivative about denominator will be 2y subtract y1. And then gy of e equal what? We can write y power 2 subtract y plus 1, and then we can factorize here or distributive about this expression. Y times 2y equal to y power 2, and y multiply negative 1 equal negative y. Negative y times 2 equal negative 2y, and negative equal positive. And then we have y power 2 subtract y plus 1 all power 2. We must let this expression equal 0. If this expression will be 0, the result will be cancelled because the product of extremes equal product of means. So we have y power 2 subtract y plus 1 negative. We can write negative and distributive about this expression. Negative times positive equal negative. 2y power 2. Negative times negative equal positive. Y and negative times negative equal positive. Negative times positive equal negative. And they are equal 0. And we can simplify it here. We have y power 2 negative y power 2 equal negative y power 2 here. Negative y can cancel with y. The result will be here 2y. And negative 1 plus 1 equals 0. So the result will be equal 0. We can write y outside here. Negative y outside here. Coefficient about this expression to find critical number. The result will be y. Subtract 2 all of 0. Then if we have y equals 0 or y negative 2 equals 0, then y will be equal to. So critical number, what about critical number? Critical number y will be 0 and y equal to. It's a critical number about this function. So you must know these steps. You must find the derivative about function and equal the derivative about this function equals 0 and find critical number. You can do the product of extremes equal product of means, and we can complete all example by steps. We want to find critical number about this function. Show t equal t to the power 3 over 4 subtract to t power 4th. First, we can write h dash of t equal, we can drop this power here and subtract 1 for this power. 3 over 4 subtract by 1, and we can drop 4th here and we can subtract 1 from this power. Okay, then the result will be 3 over 4 t power 3 over 4 subtract 4 over 4 equal negative 1 over 4. This is the power about t. And here 2 multiply 4 equal half. T power 4 subtract 4 over 4, the result will be negative 3 over 4. g dash of t. Then we can put this expression equal 0. Then 3 over 4 t power negative fourth subtract half t power negative 3 over 4 equals 0. We can multiply by t power 1 to cancel this power here. Yes, we can multiply by t to cancel power negative here. Multiply by t. So the result will be, and we can cancel this 4 by multiply 4. 4t. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. So the result will be 4t power negative 4 multiplied by t. Subtract 4 divided by 4 equal 2. T power negative 3 over 4 multiplied by t equal 0. We can simplify it. We have t power 1. We have two base multiplication about 2 term t power negative 4 multiplied t power 1. The result will be t power 1 equal 4 over 4. Subtract 4 equal 3 over 4. Subtract t2 multiply t power here 4 over 4. Subtract 3 over 4. Result will be 4. And we can multiply by t power 4. No, it's the result about the example. You can write outside coefficient about 2 term. We can write t power 4 here outside here. T power 4 outside. Okay. T power 3 over 4. Multiply what? T here. And write negative 2 and write 3. We can write what here? We can write t power 4 here. 3 over 4 divided 4. 3 over 4. Again, we can divide it by 4. T power 4 divided t power 4 equal 1. And t power 3 over 4 divided t power 4. When we want to find the derivative or divided between two terms, you must subtract 2 power. So 3 over 4 subtract 1 over 4 equal 2 over 4, it will be half. And if you want to certain about this result, you must write 4 multiply by half. 4 plus half equal 3 over 4. So it is the result about example. So we have 2 power 4 equals 0, or t power 4 equals 0, or 3 t power half subtract 2 equals 0. We know its meaning square root of t equal to, we can divide it by 3 here. So root of t equal 2 over 3. And we can find the result about power left hand side and right hand side. So result 2 equal 4 over 9. It's a critical number here. And t power 4 equals 0, so t will be 0. So critical number will be 4 over 9, and t equals 0. It's a critical number with this function. T equals 0 and t equal 4 over 9. G of x equal cube root of 4 subtract x power 2. We can write this function. This is 4 subtract x power 2 power 3 over what? 1 over 3. We can write it third here. And we can find g dash of x equal, we can drop the power outside here. 4 subtract x power 2. And we can subtract 1 from this power. And multiply by derivative of the function will be negative 2x. It's okay. And then g dash of x equal third 4 subtract x power 2 power 1 subtract third subtract 1 will be 3 over 3. The result will be negative 2 over 3 multiply by negative 2x. Okay, and then we can write this function equals 0. Set this function equals 0. We have its expression will be in denominator here. So the result will be, we can write it here, negative 2x in numerator and 3 by 4 subtract x power 2 power 2 over 3 equals 0. Then the product of extremes equal product of means. We know that's properties. So negative 2x must be equal 0. Then x will be 0. It's a critical number about this function. And we must find about this denominator. If we put this denominator equals 0, 4 subtract x power 2 equals 0, then x power 2 equal 4, then x will be positive or negative square root of 4, x will be positive or negative 2. So the critical number about this, x equal 0 and critical number x equal positive or negative 2.